Welcome to TLH Patterns. In today's video, we are going to see how to crochet a very pretty hexagon purse. This purse is made up of hexagon motifs that are joined together. You will need small amount of sport weight yarn in any 4 colors. These are the 4 colors that I used. And then along with it, you will need a 3.5 mm crochet hook. You will also need a button and a bead for the tassel. Let's start making the hexagons. I'm using the first color and I'll make a slip knot and then work 4 chains. Join the last chain with the slip stitch to the first chain. So this will form a ring. Then make 3 chains. This will count as a stitch. Work a double crochet into the ring. Then chain 1, 2 double crochets into the ring, chain 1, repeat 2 double crochet into the ring, chain 1 4 more times. Totally you will have 6 sets of 2 double crochets worked into the ring, and then after the last chain join with the slip stitch to the first stitch. Now you can cut this yarn off. Then we'll start the second round with the next color. Join this color in the next chain 1 space. Work 3 chains. Then a double crochet in the same space. Chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same space. Now in each chain 1 space work 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Finally, you will join the last stitch with a slip stitch to the first stitch and cut the yarn off. We'll use the next color for the third round. Now join the third color in any chain 1 space. Chain 3, this will count as your first double crochet stitch. Now work 6 double crochets in the same space. Work 7 double crochets in each chain 1 space around. Then join the last stitch with a slip stitch to the first stitch at the beginning of round, and you can cut the yarn off. Then for the final round, I'll join the fourth color in the first stitch of any 7 stitches. So join the yarn in the first stitch of 7 double crochets, work chain 1, then single crochet in all the 7 double crochets. Then work single crochet 1 round below. So go to the previous round and work a single crochet in this space. And then work single crochet in the next 7 double crochets. Then single crochet 1 round below, then single crochet in the next 7 double crochets. Repeat this around. Finally, join the last stitch with a slip stitch to the first stitch and cut the yarn off. Totally, you will need to make 7 hexagons. Now I'll show you how to join these hexagons. First, take 2. We'll sew them together. Take the spike stitch as your center stitch and count 3 stitches before it, and then similarly in the other hexagon also count 3 stitches before the spike stitch, and then we are joining only into the back loops of each stitch. So insert your yarn needle into the back loops of both the stitches and then sew them together as I show here. We are joining together only the back loops. So you will join 3 stitches and then comes the spike stitch and then 3 stitches after the spike stitch. I've joined one side of 2 hexagons and then I will join the next hexagon in between these two. This side is also done, and then we'll join the next hexagon here. Now you can go in either this direction or that. I'll go this way first. Now join 6 of your hexagons like this, and then you turn this over and we'll join the next hexagon. You have the wrong side facing you, so this will come behind this hexagon, and then you will join the others by folding them into half and join it this way. So you'll fold these 5 hexagons and join each side to the 7th hexagon. All done. Now weave in all the loose ends. Note that the joining is done on the outside, on the right side of your hexagon, not on the wrong side. Now we'll make a handle for this purse. Join the 4th color to the top center on one side, and then make chains long enough for your handle. Then, without twisting the chains, join the end of the chains to the other side of the purse with a slip stitch, and then chain 1 and turn, and now work slip stitch in each chain. Now when you have reached the other side, slip stitch in the next stitch and cut the yarn off. Then sew a button to the front of the purse. Then join yarn behind this button on the other side to make a loop that goes around the button. Join yarn and work as many chains as needed to go around the button. When you have made enough chains, slip stitch in the same stitch and cut the yarn off. Next we'll make the tassel. For that, take a small rectangular piece of cardboard, and I wrapped both green and blue around it a few times, and then and then I cut at one end. After slipping the yarn off the cardboard, insert a piece of yarn through the folded part and make a knot. And then take another piece of yarn and wrap it around the top tightly. Then trim the ends. Then I attached a bead to the top of the tassel. Then attach this tassel to the bottom of the purse. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this pattern, and please subscribe to my channel. You can also click the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you.